Whether you have been sourcing products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see one of the best ways to source for products of different category on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. This is not your regular type search or image search or you might think of. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do, open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. Now you want to search for products, you already know what exactly you want. And then this particular app here is going to give you a very stress-free product sourcing on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Okay, so let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Like for instance, you want to source for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on this search icon right here. We simply click on here. Okay, then we type in iPhone 12 Pro Max. Click on it to search. Okay, now you have thousands of results right here from different store right here. Now, the simple hack I want to give you right here will make you to filter out different seller based on your need right here. One of the things here is that you can screen some of these results here. You can filter some of these results here by only active seller, which simply means that you're only interested in only seller that are actually online among all these iPhone 12 seller right here. For you to do that, simply come to the top right here, and then you want to make sure you click on here and make sure you click on this one right here, active only. So click on that and you're going to see the result. Then everyone you see in this section here are only active seller. Now you can message them right now and you get a response. This is one of the first hack you need to understand about Xianyu Chinese shopping app, because many seller here, when you message them, it takes them like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 days, 4 days before some of them will reply. Some of them are not serious seller. Okay, now this is the first hack you need to know about sourcing on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Another hack you need to know is very much important, which is inspection center. Inspection center is a kind of assurance that gives you a confidence based on the product you want to buy from any store on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So it is always advisable that you always check with a seller or you deal with a seller that has inspection center assurance by Xianyu inspection center. Okay. So now for you to use inspection center, click on this one right here. This will give you only results of every seller that has been covered by inspection center. You can see them all right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see them all right here. For easy identification of inspection center, you are going to see their blue badge right here. All these ones here, it means that this product here, these phones here are fully covered by quality inspection center on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products in this category right here, just like so. However, this is about different product price range. All right, so the next thing you want to do right here is for you to know how to filter different phones by different storage capacity. So for you to do that, simply click on here. This will allow you to choose different category of storage capacity you are looking at. Let's say, for instance, you are looking at something about 128 gig right here. Go ahead and click on 128 gig. And once you click on 128 gig, click on here. This will give you only result of 128 gig with quality inspection, just like what you see right here. All these phones here are very low range price with quality inspection. just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see all these phones here. Like I said, they were covered by quality inspection, just like so. Last trick I want to show you right here is to check by latest price reduction. You know, when different seller post item on Xianyu, they tend to reduce price, they tend to modify price. How can you filter by some of these sellers that have already reduced product price in Xianyu? So it's a very simple thing. All you have to do is to simply click on this top right here, which simply means price new reduction. Click on that. Then you'll be given only seller that are active, that are already reduced the product price right here, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see right here. And from here, you can go ahead and contact any seller. Like for instance, this particular seller right here, this iPhone here, iPhone 12 with 128 gig and covered by inspection center. You can scroll down and check on the product picture right here, just like so. And this is a very good deal right here. Okay, now you can see it is being covered by inspection center. This is one of the important things you need always to check right here. So you can simply click on here now to contact the seller, just like so, and then start chat up with them. You can as well negotiate price right here to reduce this price as at the time you are connecting with the seller. Everything depends on the intention of the seller and how bargain you are as well. So if you are not satisfied with that one, you can come back to your search right here, begin to filter from different results as the case may be right here. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.